15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you. Business credit is credit in a business name linked to the business's employment identification number. This is credit for a business. It's not linked to the owner personally. It's also not linked to their personal social security number. Using business credit, a business owner can get vendor credit cards, high-limit accounts with most major retailers, fleet credit, and cash credit, including Visa and MasterCard. Get approved for business credit accounts regardless of personal credit quality. When you build business credit the right way, there is no Social Security number supplied on the application. With no SSN supplied, there is no personal credit pool. Because of this, a business owner can get high-limit business credit accounts. This is regardless of personal credit, no matter how bad it may be. Personal credit quality does not matter. Reason number 1. Business credit doesn't affect personal credit. Business credit reports to business CRAs, not consumer CRAs. As business credit is used, it has no adverse impact on the owner's consumer credit. This is because it's not reported to consumer agencies. It means utilizing the account, even over 30%, won't have any adverse impact on personal credit scores, and there are no inquiries on the personal credit when applying for business credit, as long as a business owner doesn't supply a Social Security number. 10% of a total consumer credit score is based on inquiries. So if a business owner is using personal credit to apply for business loans and credit, then their scores will go down as a result of those inquiries. Personal credit inquiries can stay on credit reports for an extended period of time. This affects the ability to borrow more money. Some unsecured business lending sources won't even lend money if there are 2 inquiries or more on personal credit reports within 6 months. Let's recap. There are a lot of reasons business credit can help any business. It's independent of personal credit, so using it doesn't affect utilization rate. It can be built quickly. Since anyone can see business credit reports, building business credit bolsters your reputation with suppliers, customers, and even competitors. Business credit protects your personal assets and doesn't require personal guarantees. Business credit increases the value of a business, and it determines loan approval and quality. It effectively doubles your borrowing ability and has very high limits. Even startups can get it with no financials or collateral. It is a huge competitive advantage and is the best way to fund a business. Big established companies use it. Why shouldn't you? Build business credit before you really need it, and it can only help you. Contact us today to learn more about 15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you.